Hi, and welcome to Always Dolls. With Valentine's Day around the corner, we are going to craft our American Girl dolls some beautiful Tiffany-inspired jewellery. See how to make a simple yet stunning diamond bangle and a modern heart tag beaded bracelet. They look amazing layered together. We also show you how to make the iconic Tiffany blue gift boxes. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button and subscribe to support our channel. So, let's get making! Start by measuring your doll's wrist. For us, that is 9 centimeters. Add an extra 4 centimeters, then cut this length from crafting wire. We bought this silver 12 gauge wire from the local dollar store. To mould the wire, find a bottle with a circumference similar in size to your doll's wrist. Wrap the wire around the bottle to form the circle of the bangle. You want the wire to meet but not cross. Next, bend back the ends of the wire to make a U shape on either side. For bling, we bought 2 alphabet key rings intended for your mobile phone. Remove the cord and separate the parrot clip and oval links from the letter. Keep these bits as we'll use them later. Attach your letters to the wire with hot glue. If needed, you can also coat any rough wire tips with tiny drops of hot glue to protect your doll's limbs from being scratched. Now let's make a gift box. For this we used a sheet of cardstock in that classic Tiffany blue colour. Cut an 8 cm square of your cardstock and mark the dimensions seen on screen. Use a ruler to make crisp folds along the dashed lines. Next, cut across each corner square to form the tabs. Now, cut up one side only to the fold line to release the tab. Put glue on the back of your tabs, then adhere to the corresponding box wall. Perfect! For extra detail, we cut a square of foam packaging to line the bottom of our box and give our bangle some cushioning. For the box lid, start with an 8.2 cm square of cardstock. Again, fold along all the dashed lines. Now, cut 2 slits halfway on each side so you can fold the cardstock over for thicker walls. It will look like this. As before, cut across the corner squares for your tabs. Now unfold your cardstock and cut one side only, releasing the triangular tab. This time, apply your glue to the side walls. Following this, assemble the lid by slipping the tab inside the layers of the wall, pressing firmly for a good seal. With the lid made, you may also like to add the Tiffany & Co logo in black pen. Okay, let's make a version of the Tiffany heart tag beaded bracelet. For this, we need blue seed beads, needle and cotton, and the hardware from the keychain. Take the oval-shaped link and thread with your cotton string, pushing the needle back through the string to lock the knot. Do this a few times for extra strength. Thread half your beads. Depending on their size, you may need 8 to 10 here. The heart is a small charm we had in our stash, painted gold with nail polish. Thread it on, again looping the needle through the string to lock it in place. Add your remaining blue beads, then attach the parrot clip, again double or triple knotting the thread. Clip off the excess string and your bracelet is complete. Make another gift box, this time decorating with a white ribbon bow just like they do at Tiffany's. Have fun making your dolls feel extra special this Valentine's Day with their own custom Tiffany jewellery. We'd love it if you hit that like button, subscribe and turn on the bell so you never miss a new DIY. See you soon for more miniature crafting fun!